Practice drawing mindfully and with awareness. Third eye chakra. Meditation focused on this point is believed to enhance intuition, clarity of thought, and spiritual insight. So get your sketchbook out and learn to draw eyes and lips and pay attention to the meaning. After this video, you will find lips very easy to draw. They're just like a shape of a leaf. Doesn't this leaf look like a pair of red lips? I am drawing from imagination, but as you know, there are 8 billion different shapes of lips. And you can practice using your friends and family as your models. This drawing looks a bit rough, and I will rub off the extra lines that you are seeing around the lips. Shading plays a major role in drawing. That's when the real shape of the product or feature emerges. It's not just pretty pair of lips, it's a mouth for communication and expression. Spiritually, it represents the power of words, both spoken and unspoken, and their ability to influence and manifest reality. Another feature on your face, your eye, is also shape of a leaf, more or less. Here's a tip for you. Your eye is always in straight line with your nostril, and the distance between two eyes is the width of one eye. Eyes, often called the windows of the soul, are associated with perception, vision, and the ability to see both the physical and spiritual worlds. Deities and demigods are frequently depicted with large, expressive eyes, symbolizing their all-seeing nature and omnipresence. Also, eyes play a major role in connection and relationship. Eye contact is a powerful form of nonverbal communication that can create deep connections between people. Spiritually, it can symbolize the exchange of energy, empathy, and mutual understanding. Eyes are also seen as channels through which one's spiritual and mental energy is directed. This can relate to the practice of visualization and the power of focused intention in manifesting desires and goals. In your drawing, spend as little time as possible in drawing the shapes and spend as much time as possible in shading. That's when real shape and the expression of the object or the eyes come out. I'm using a pen here because ink is darker than graphite or lead, and this helps create real depth in the eye. And a white acrylic pen and a thin layer of watercolor. I'm adding watercolor on the lips as well. I don't premeditate what I'm going to be drawing, so it's all experimental. So yeah, you please be adventurous and try different ways how the colors behave. Only then, by doing only, you would come to know and learn. You can learn and gain confidence only by doing. There is no other way. I feel like drawing a green field here and the face emerging out of clouds over the horizon, which you will see in a minute, and some daffodils. Okay, paint a sun here, third eye chakra. Meditation focused on this point is believed to enhance intuition, clarity of thought, and spiritual insight. It is thought to facilitate the awakening of psychic abilities, to align one's energy, promote mental clarity, and attain a greater sense of peace and enlightenment. Set yourself free like a bird, know yourself, and dare to live. If you have liked this video, please do hit the like button and share with your friends, and also please leave a comment in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.